What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Don't worry about that. The tree is being taken down. This monster tree. Remember you guys in the previous videos? Yeah, it's almost done, guys. I'm so excited. No more dirt or anything like that. But yeah, continuing. Press, well, you have to unlock first. So press and hold the unlock button for the, windows to come down. Cool. That's done. Then you guys did tell me to take the key out from this and twist it in there, turn it counterclockwise. Hold on, I can't take the key out with one hand. All right, the key's out, and so that's 1 and 2. There you have it. So coming up, awesome. It's closed. That's the second part. This is another way you guys can close it. Like 10 of you already commented saying that you could do it this way as well. But I do want to mention one thing as well to you guys with the 1.5, I believe. When you have the trunk open, well, look, you can press the button right here. It'll open up. But when the car is started, right? And I think it's all of us with the 1.5. When the car is started, it's what you call it? Like, you have to press this button right here to open it. But now check this out. I'm gonna take the key out with me. And guess what? See that? It doesn't work anymore. Even if I lock or unlock, it doesn't work anymore. See that? And I think that's all of us. So I wish that was fixed as well. And the only way you could open it is right there. See? Just opened up. And yeah, guys, that's it. Pretty much. I appreciate the support, guys. So the windows do close up when you turn the manual, by manually, like turn the key to the left. Once locks it, second time you twist it and hold it, then the windows will close up. So that's about it. Stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be a crazy, next video is gonna be really crazy. All right, that's gonna be about Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, GTRs. There was a crazy annual meetup. It was insane, guys. So I got some awesome clips, so stay tuned. Make sure the notifications are enabled, and you don't want to miss that out. All right, peace out, guys.